Muscle gains. While you sleep, most Americans are doing it wrong. You work out, eat your protein, and take supplements. But if you're making these nighttime mistakes, you could be wasting months of hard work. Stick around. I'm revealing the 2 nutrients that actually build muscle overnight and the 3 popular supplements secretly sabotaging your results. Don't miss this. The shocking truth about building muscle while you sleep. What if I told you that you could be sabotaging your muscle growth every single night without even realizing it? You can follow the perfect workout plan, eat all the right proteins, and take your supplements religiously. But if you're making a few common mistakes before bed, you might as well be flushing your efforts down the drain. It's a frustrating cycle for so many people. You put in the hard work day after day, but the strength and muscle you're striving for just don't seem to materialize, especially as you get older. You've probably heard the buzz about taking magnesium for muscle repair. But what if that was only a small piece of the puzzle, or worse, a distraction from what truly matters? Forget everything you think you know. In the next few minutes, we're going to uncover the 2 essential vitamins you should be taking every night to unlock explosive muscle growth while you sleep. These are far more effective and work faster than magnesium alone. And you'll definitely want to stick around, because I'm also going to expose 3 incredibly popular supplements that you might be taking right now that are secretly destroying your gains and holding you back from achieving the strong, vibrant body you deserve. This is information you can't afford to miss. Chapter 1. The Sunshine Vitamins Nightly Secret, Vitamin D3. Let's jump right into the first game changer for your nighttime routine, Vitamin D3. When you take this powerhouse supplement before you go to sleep, something truly remarkable happens inside your body. As you enter the deepest stages of rest, your vitamin D levels rise, activating special receptors in your muscle cells called VDRs. Think of these VDRs as gatekeepers to your muscles. Once unlocked by vitamin D3, they signal your muscles to begin absorbing more calcium and phosphorus from the foods you've eaten throughout the day. These minerals are absolutely critical for the powerful contractions that lead to stronger, more resilient muscle fibers. But the magic of vitamin D3 doesn't stop there. It also plays a pivotal role in signaling your body to produce more testosterone as you sleep. Testosterone is the undisputed king of muscle-building hormones, and it's essential for taking the protein you consume and using it to build new lean muscle tissue overnight. It's shocking to realize that without adequate vitamin D, this entire nighttime repair and growth process can be diminished by as much as 60%. Furthermore, vitamin D acts as a potent anti-inflammatory agent, soothing your muscle tissues while you rest. This means you wake up feeling less sore and your muscles recover faster from your workouts, all while being protected from the age-related muscle breakdown that so many people fear. For many, especially seniors, getting enough vitamin D from sunlight alone is a significant challenge. This is where supplementation becomes a powerful ally. A single capsule can provide between 2,000 to 4,000 IU, a substantial increase over what most people get naturally. A recent study from Harvard followed 400 seniors with low vitamin D levels for 8 months. The results were nothing short of astounding. Those who took vitamin D3 supplements daily gained an average of 2.8 pounds of muscle mass, compared to a mere 0.4 pounds in the group that did not. Even the ancient Viking warriors understood this principle, consuming cod liver oil during the long, dark winters to maintain their formidable strength. To harness the power of vitamin D3 for yourself, simply take 2,000 to 4,000 IU with an evening meal that contains healthy fats, which will maximize its absorption. Chapter 2. The master mineral for overnight repair, zinc. As incredible as vitamin D3 is, it needs a partner to truly unleash its muscle-building potential. That partner is our second nighttime hero, zinc. If you're only taking vitamin D3, you're missing out on a synergistic effect that can dramatically accelerate your results. Think of your body as a muscle-building factory during deep sleep. While growth hormone is the manager of this factory, zinc is the essential tool that allows the work to get done. Here's a little-known fact. Your body's muscle-building hormones are almost entirely dependent on zinc to function properly. Zinc is the master mineral that directly regulates over 300 enzymes responsible for the intricate process of repairing and rebuilding your muscle tissue all through the night. When your body has optimal levels of zinc, these dedicated enzymes can work tirelessly for 6 to 8 hours, mending the microscopic tears in your muscles that occur from daily activity and exercise. However, if you're deficient in zinc, a condition that affects an alarming 40% of seniors, this crucial repair process can slow down by up to 60% while you sleep. Zinc also acts as a transport system, carrying essential amino acids directly into your muscle cells during the night, where they are then assembled into new, stronger muscle fibers. This is why people with healthy zinc levels often wake up feeling refreshed and recovered, while those who are deficient experience persistent muscle soreness and slower healing. A high-quality zinc supplement can provide a powerful 15 to 30 milligrams of bioavailable zinc, which is up to 300% more than what most seniors obtain from their diet alone. Zinc deficiency can have a cascade of negative effects, including slower wound healing, reduced testosterone production, and a diminished ability for your muscles to use the protein you eat. This is why some individuals can eat plenty of protein, but still struggle to build muscle. They are missing this critical mineral. A landmark study from the University of Michigan tracked 120 zinc-deficient seniors for 12 weeks. The results were remarkable. Those who took 20 milligrams of zinc daily experienced a 34% increase in muscle protein synthesis and a 40% faster recovery from exercise. The researchers concluded that zinc literally activates the genetic switches that instruct your muscles to grow stronger and repair faster. To maximize the benefits of zinc, take your supplement with a full glass of water about 2 hours before bedtime. Chapter 3: The 3 Nighttime Saboteurs of Your Muscle Growth. Now that you know what you should be taking, it's just as important to understand what you need to avoid. Taking the right supplements can be completely ineffective if you're simultaneously consuming things that work against them. In fact, some of the very healthy vitamins you might be taking could be creating a cocktail of muscle-wasting poison in your body overnight. After reviewing numerous nutritional studies and consulting with leading researchers in muscle preservation, I have identified 3 supplements that you must avoid at night if you are serious about building and preserving your hard-earned muscle. The first, and perhaps the most surprising, is the B-complex vitamin. While often recommended for energy and metabolism, the timing of when you take it is crucial. Taking a B-complex vitamin in the evening is like sending a jolt of electricity through your nervous system right when it needs to be powering down. These vitamins, especially B6 and B12, are stimulants that can increase your heart rate and alertness. While this is great for the morning, at night it's a recipe for disaster. Your muscles are not built in the gym. They are forged during deep sleep when your body releases growth hormone and repairs damaged fibers. If your nervous system is still active from a late dose of B-complex, you won't spend enough time in the critical slow-wave sleep phase necessary for muscle recovery. This can also lead to a spike in the stress hormone cortisol, which actively breaks down muscle tissue. The lesson is clear. Take your B-complex with breakfast and allow your nights to be dedicated to repair. The second nighttime offender is vitamin C. Celebrated for its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. However, at night your muscles actually need a small amount of oxidative stress to signal the beginning of the recovery process. This mild stress is what triggers the release of growth hormone and activates the pathways for muscle repair. When you flood your system with a large dose of vitamin C before bed, you can actually blunt this crucial signal, effectively shutting down muscle protein synthesis when it should be at its peak. Additionally, vitamin C can have a mildly stimulating effect, which can interfere with your ability to fall into a deep, restorative sleep. Save your vitamin C for the morning to reap its benefits without hindering your nighttime muscle growth. Finally, the third supplement to banish from your evening routine is caffeine. This may seem obvious, but caffeine lurks in many unexpected places, including some pre-workout formulas and fat burner supplements. While a morning coffee can be beneficial, consuming caffeine in the evening is one of the fastest ways to sabotage your muscle recovery. Caffeine stimulates your central nervous system and elevates cortisol levels, creating a muscle-wasting environment. It also blocks adenosine receptors in your brain, which are responsible for signaling that it's time to rest. This not only makes it harder to fall asleep, but also shortens your deep sleep cycles, which is when the majority of muscle repair occurs. A 2020 study found that older adults who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more lean muscle mass than those who did not. To protect your gains, make it a strict rule to avoid all caffeine after lunchtime. Your next step to building lasting strength. So, which of these vitamins have you been unknowingly taking at night? I would love to hear about your experiences, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. If you're truly ready to build the strong, resilient muscles you deserve, I've created something special just for you. My 30-day muscle recovery meal plan is filled with over 90 high-protein, collagen-rich recipes specifically designed to maximize your muscle growth. Each recipe is crafted to avoid the muscle-sabotaging vitamins we've discussed, and I've included precise timing strategies to optimize your nutrient absorption. You can find the link to this comprehensive meal plan in the pinned comment and in the description below. But that's not all. Tomorrow, I'm going to reveal a secret that will completely change how you think about building leg strength. This clinically proven technique has been shown to increase muscle activation by an incredible 34% without any exercise whatsoever. This is exclusive information that I will be sharing with my subscribers first. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. You do not want to miss tomorrow's video. Trust me, this leg strength secret will astound you, and I guarantee you've never heard it anywhere else. See you soon. Your next step to real muscle growth. Now that you know the truth about building muscle while you sleep, it's time to take action. You've learned about the 2 essential nutrients that turbocharge muscle repair and the 3 common supplements secretly sabotaging your gains. Knowledge alone isn't enough. Your results depend on applying this information every night. Imagine waking up every morning feeling stronger, more energized, and seeing real changes in your muscle tone and recovery. No more frustration, no more wasted effort. This is your opportunity to finally break through the plateaus that have been holding you back. I've also created a 30-day muscle recovery meal plan packed with over 90 high-protein, collagen-rich recipes designed to maximize your muscle growth while avoiding the supplements that harm your progress. Each meal is timed and structured to give your body the fuel it needs overnight. You can find the link in the pinned comment and in the description below. But don't stop here. Tomorrow, I'll reveal a secret technique to boost leg strength by 34% without extra exercise, exclusively for my subscribers. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because missing this could mean losing out on one of the most powerful strategies for building a stronger, healthier body. Your journey to stronger muscles, faster recovery, and a healthier you starts tonight. Commit to the plan, take the right supplements, avoid the hidden saboteurs, and watch your body transform while you sleep. The results are waiting. You just have to take the first step.